Windows 11 26 H2 is on the way, but can your PC actually run it? New features sound great. A failed upgrade can waste hours. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to check whether your PC is ready, what requirements you need to meet, and how to prepare before upgrading. Hey guys, welcome back to 4DDIG. Part 1. Start with PC Health Check. If you are still on Windows 10, start with Microsoft's PC Health Check app. First, download and open the app. Click Check Now. The tool will quickly scan the main requirements, including your processor, TPM 2.0, secure boot, RAM, and storage. But it does not always tell you why an upgrade may fail or how to fix those problems. For a more complete preparation check, you can use 4DDIG Partition Manager. It can scan important upgrade factors like CPU compatibility, TPM 2.0, secure boot, and disk partition style. If there is an issue, it helps you identify what needs to be fixed before upgrading. Once the official 26H2 version is released, you can use this tool to bypass the system requirements of Windows 11 26H2 and perform an upgrade or clean install. Part 2. But what exactly does Windows 11 26H2 require? As it stands, Windows 11 26H2 is expected to maintain the same core hardware requirements as previous versions. For users who have installed Windows 11 but have an older version, let's take a look at Microsoft's official requirements. Your PC needs a compatible 64-bit processor with at least 1 GHz speed and 2 or more cores. You also need at least 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. In addition, your system should support UEFI firmware, secure boot, TPM 2.0, and a graphics card compatible with DirectX 12 and WDDM2.x drivers. These are the basic hardware requirements. For most computers that already support Windows 11, upgrading to 26H2 should not be a major issue. However, one question many users are asking is, will Microsoft make Windows 11 26H2 requirements stricter? At the moment, Microsoft has not announced any major hardware changes. If your PC can already run Windows 11 25H2, there is a good chance it will also support Windows 11 26H2. But keep in mind that Microsoft may update the supported processor list before the official release. So after Windows 11 26H2 is finalized, it is always a good idea to check Microsoft's official processor support page for the latest information. Part 4. Prepare before installing Windows 11 26H2. Even if your PC passes the requirements, the upgrade process can still fail. Common problems include insufficient storage space, outdated drivers, or an incompatible disk partition style. Before upgrading, make sure you back up important files. Install the latest Windows updates, update your drivers, and confirm that Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 are enabled. If your system disk uses the older MBR partition style, this can also prevent Windows 11 upgrades on some systems. With 4DDIG Partition Manager, you can convert MBR to GPT without reinstalling Windows. Simply choose Convert Disk, select Convert MBR to GPT, and follow the steps. The software will guide you through the conversion process, including entering the PE environment when needed. Another common problem is not having enough free space on your system drive. Before upgrading, you can use the Windows Cleanup feature in 4DDIG Partition Manager. Click Start Scan, review the results, and remove unnecessary files such as temporary files, Windows Update leftovers, system junk, and application cache. This can help free up storage space and reduce upgrade issues. If you want extra protection before making major system changes, 4DDIG Partition Manager also supports disk cloning, allowing you to create a copy of your drive beforehand. With one tool, you can check compatibility, fix common upgrade issues, and prepare your PC for Windows 11 26H2. You can try 4DDIG Partition Manager with a 3-day free trial today. That's all, and in the next video, I will cover the supported and unsupported upgrade paths. See you there.